evening orchestra. What a beautiful, beautiful sound of love from nature. Healing all the waters. Arcturians as above, so below. Beautiful job. Oh, nature is so happy. Yeah. Because nature is only here and now. You know? Only experiencing at the moment of here and now. That's the only way you're going to be able to experience the happiness. Future can brings you as long as, unless you are already awakened and understand the process, kinda know who you are. Future can bring you anxiety and fear of the unknown. It can be really cruciated for many. And past can also brings depression because regrets and self-judgments and all kind of stuff that needs to still be dealt with. But it's okay. Part of the process to become the multidimensional beings of here and now. We came here to experience the life, to live. Yeah, wonderful. You hear them? Must be hundreds of them. It's amazing. So be who you want to be. Yeah, don't let anything or anyone to stop you. Stay authentic. Stay true to yourself. Live the life that you want to experience. No regrets. The ones who love you will understand. The ones who don't love you and they try to manipulate you or control you may not be part of your life, but that's okay. Only those that loves you unconditionally and accept you unconditionally will be in your life. Loving you through your own process. Yeah. Magical place, isn't it? It's magic all around. One must believe it before can see it. So wonderful, wonderful energies of healing, peace, only blessings. Go up there, experience life. Know your rights. You may be, many of us, many of you may be challenged by others, but that's okay. We don't have to react, or we can. We don't have to also be anybody's doormat. Know your rights. Gain your powers back. Collect your powers. Most importantly, be who you want to be, here and now. You are becoming aware, awakened. All the portals are opening. Everything is being activated. Enjoy the life. Liberation of all planet Earth. Liberation of all souls within our universe, galactic federations of light, intergalactic alliances of many stars, galaxies, universes, infinite universes. Yeah? Increasing the energies here and now. Beautiful. Here and now. You hear all the sounds. You are the observer. You smell all the smells. You are aware. You become aware of all the rays that coming upon the water, cleansing and purification. This is the heaven. This is the light within our universe. This planet, this magnificent planet, and it's becoming the heaven of our universe. Our boys are on the security watch again. So beautiful. Thank you for protecting, loving our community. Blessings to you all. Namaste.